Dear student, one question having alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 pi and 3 cos alpha plus 2 cos beta plus 4 cos gamma is equal to 0 and 3 sin alpha plus 2 sin beta plus 4 sin gamma is equal to 0, then find the value of this. Okay, this type question. Okay, this type question JEE advanced asks the questions. Okay, so first all is to understand after you write down, sir. Okay, so how to solve this type question? Understand properly. This having, first remember this anyhow this question you convert complex number. So what this equation 1 equation 2 consider equation 2 multiply both i's iota. After add, so what answer come? Both multiply I. This equation 2 multiply I. So what value come? 3 common cos alpha plus I sin alpha plus this is 2 common cos beta plus I sin beta plus 4 cos gamma plus I sin gamma is equal to what come? 0. Now this consider Z1, this consider Z2, this consider Z3. The 3Z1 plus 2Z2 plus 4Z3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now always remember A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So your equation having AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. This concept remember. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. The cubic both side. This is cubic both side. So what come? 27Z1Q, 8Z2Q plus 64Z3Q is equal to 3AB. So what value? 3 Z1 sorry 3 into 3 Z1 into 2 Z2 into 4 Z3. This value what? 3 9 9 8 72 72 Z1 Z2 Z3 72 Z1 Z2 Z3. Now this write down. This having 27, this write down e power I 3I alpha plus 8 power e power I 3I beta plus 64 e power 3 gamma. This write down 72 e power Z1. Z1 what having? Z1 what tell me? This having I common. I common to what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta gamma already given 72, sorry, 2 pi given, alpha plus gamma. The 72 e power I 2 pi. This value what? 1. So 72. So this value already, this value having this, your question what having? 27, 8 and 64. So this total answer, what answer? 72. Okay. Any student doubt, ask the question, sir.